Okay, you can barely see it. That.
We have now reached the top of the Sky Tower and are hovering at a comfortable altitude of 300 feet.
So it looks like this piece right here will be going where the elevator ends right here and starts with the first big drop right here. So it's going to come down around this way, head back up that way, and then the mid-course will be right there. Looks like it's all brand new track from Mock Rides, and it looks like it's a full retrack, except for, I don't know if that turnaround section where the outward bank is new, because I can see rust on it. I'm assuming that's old track. But it looks like the actual coaster part where it has the bank turns looks like, yeah, there's brand new track right there that just got put up. You can see, yeah, so I might count this as a new credit when it opens. It's going to be all new track. So looking at the track here, and I could tell with Harley Quinn the track was not smooth just by look, and this looks very smooth. The track work, that section looks like it could be a little rough, but that's, all RMC tracks are welded together though, so that's probably going to be just fine. Also, the wheel setup's completely different from Harley Quinn's. It only has Harley Quinn only has one road, one guide, and one upstop. This one has 2 roads, 2 guides, and 1 upstop. So it probably will make for a smoother ride.
New adventures right here at SeaWorld. Orca Encounter is a behavioral-based orca experience created to inspire and educate audiences about the majesty of killer